Welcome, in the tube family. Basic principle of camera function: a camera captures light from a scene and projects it onto a photosensitive surface to create an image. This process involves several key components working together. 1. Light entry. Lens. The lens is a curved piece of glass or plastic that focuses light from the scene onto the camera's sensor or film. It controls the sharpness and clarity of the image, and the focal length determines the field of view and magnification. Aperture. This is an adjustable opening in the lens that controls the amount of light entering the camera. A larger aperture, indicated by a smaller f number, allows more light and creates a shallow depth of field, while a smaller aperture, larger f number, lets in less light and increases the depth of field. 2. Light control shutter. The shutter controls the duration of light exposure. It opens to allow light to reach the sensor or film and closes to stop the exposure. Shutter speed, measured in fractions of a second, determines how long the sensor or film is exposed to light. ISO sensitivity. ISO measures the sensor's sensitivity to light. A higher ISO setting increases sensitivity, which is useful in low light conditions, but can introduce noise or grain into the image. 3. Image capture. Sensor or film. In digital cameras, the sensor, usually CMOS or CCD, captures light and converts it into electrical signals. In film cameras, the light is captured on photographic film. The sensor or film records the light's intensity and color, creating a digital or analog representation of the scene. 4. Image processing. Image processor. In digital cameras, the image processor converts the electrical signals from the sensor into a digital image. This involves adjustments such as color correction, noise reduction, and sharpening. The processed image is then stored in a memory card. 5. Viewing and storage. Viewfinder. Display. The camera's viewfinder or LCD screen allows you to see and compose the image before capturing it. After the image is taken, it can be reviewed on the screen. Storage. Digital images are saved on memory cards, for example, SD or CF cards, in various file formats like JPEG or RAW. Film cameras store images on rolls of film that need to be developed. 6. Additional features. Autofocus. Many cameras have an autofocus system that automatically adjusts the lens to keep the subject in focus. It uses contrast detection or phase detection methods to achieve focus. Image stabilization. This feature reduces blurriness caused by camera shake, especially in low light conditions or with long zoom lenses. It can be built into the lens optical stabilization or the camera body sensor shift stabilization. 7. Output display and print. The captured images can be viewed on various devices or printed. Digital images can also be edited using photo editing software to enhance or alter the image. Stay updated with the latest content by subscribing to my YouTube channel.